and welcome back to our Sicilian Chronicles episode. We are Mia and Massi and we live on this beautiful island called Sicily. This week we go to Portopalo di Capo Passero and enjoy the low season before it gets manic. Massi cooks spaghetti alla Siracusana and we meet up with our Sicilian friends who live in London for a quick lunch at the fish market in Ortigia. So enjoy this episode and see you soon. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are in Portopalo, beautiful, beautiful place. We just stopped here by the sea to show you. So we're going to show you some pretty places.
We are going to obviously take the whole day to do this. Well, up until a certain time, and then we have to go back.
Massi's got to go to work at 5, but
it's fine. We've got a couple hours.
Got the whole day.
It's not a problem, yeah.
So enjoy.
Enjoy it and have fun with us. So we just stopped off Palo. I've come across this tree. It's amazing. It's a magnolia tree.
It's huge, eh?
It's massive. It must be really old.
Yeah.
And they've looked after it so well. They've pruned it so well that it gives it's like a massive umbrella.
Yeah.
Really pretty.
Great for summer.
Yeah.
Shade.
There's a whole lot of benches underneath it.
Look at the view. So pretty.
This must be a little piazza that all the old people come and sit in the summer.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Oh,
look at this tree. It's lovely the way they've done it.
Madonnina.
With the Madonna here, statue. Little
Really
waterfall. Pretty. Must be a little natural spring here. Look, Massi got fish here.
There's fish in there.
Yeah.
Wow. That's nice. Goldfish.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. Very pretty little place.
So we're just curious to see what everybody's lining up here for.
It's like a little delicatessen, nuts and seeds and olives.
Yeah.
Obviously all locally produced.
Nice. And literally the sand is on the main road, which leads you to the beautiful seaside over there. Crazy. Don't get confused with the Portopalo of Agrigento. This is Portopalo di Capo. It is the southernmost commune of Sicily. It only has a population of about 3,916. It has the best fishing that the Mediterranean area has to offer because of its location connection of the Ionian and the Mediterranean seas. So the food here, the seafood, is absolutely delicious. Everything is so fresh and so good.
So you won't believe it, but this beach in the summer is absolutely packed with umbrellas and sun lounges. We've come here once, Massimo and I, to swim. The water is fantastic because there's like quite a bit of coral, isn't it? Well,
yeah, and
I don't know if it's coral, but
in the summer the sea goes down, the tide goes down, and you can walk across to the island. We actually got a good occasion of having a little stroll on the beach.
oh, the beach is all ours because you don't get this in the summer.
Yeah, in the summer it's pretty packed. You can't actually walk
You
on the
can't
beach.
walk on the beach in the summer.
It is a small little beach.
Tiny
so
little beach.
This is that side, and I'll turn around.
The sand is slightly darker than you would find
Yeah,
towards our area, Siracusa.
and at the minute the sand is got a bit of this
Seaweed.
seaweed, so it's dry seaweed. It's a winter thing.
So if you happen to come here in the summer, please come to this bar. It's lovely. It's the southernmost bar in Sicily, and
1974.
yeah, well, 1974, and the tiles and the view are beautiful.
It's quite slippery, be careful.
stai piantando, Matti?
Sto piantando peperoncino piccante di Cayenne.
Cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
And Viola? What are you planting? Cosa pianti? Leggi. Anche qua, Viola, puoi piantare questo? È lattuga, è molto piccola.
Ok. Faccio in questo qua però. Già
Yeah.
ho finito questo.
Certo.
Mi serve altra terra.
Ok.
Fatto. Mamma, io voglio piantare carote.
Ok.
This is pumpkin seeds.
Yeah, pumpkin seeds, very good.
Oops. È buonissima la zucchina.
No, è la zucca, amore.
Zucca.
La zucchina è
zucca.
verde, questo
Ah,
è
sì, zucca,
arancione.
Mi piace che non mi piace tantissimo la zucca, nonna a me.
Il risotto alla zucca è buono.
Sì.
Papà lo sa fare bene.
Sì, anche mamma.
Anche mamma.
A me non piace. E lui è pazzo.
Vero? Viola, che stai facendo?
Polpette.
Brava. Dove li mettiamo?
La pentola. Nella pentola.
Nel sugo.
Nel sugo. Polpette con la salsa oggi facciamo.
So we're on our way to meeting Rita and Sebi for lunch because they leave in 2 days' time. So this is the last little lunch that we're having with them. Dai ragazzi!
Piove per giorni. Buongiorno.
Sì, ma ora gli è preso proprio che piove.
Allora,
Chef con porchetta, numero 4 e l'altro chef. Buon appetito.
Grazie.
Questa è Mary.
Mary, allora dimmi se...
We're at the market and we've just ordered some nice rolls.
Very
Panini, otherwise I get into trouble.
Sono mini.
I've ordered some bruschetta, but I didn't think I'd get so many. But yeah, I think they're going to give me a hand here. Very nice.
Bruschette di lusso, eh?
Occhio agli uccelli.
Buono.
Ma quello... Tu sei preso come quello suo?
No, abbiamo fatto ora mezzo.
L'abbiamo scambiato.
Mezzo io e questo poi è
Massi.
dai. Questo è qualità. Sicily.
Vero? Fantastico.
Dai.
Quale?
Messinese.
Figliolo che poi tatugno, non tatugno. Ma la gente tu.
Catanese.
Di Catania poi? Se sì, ma l'anci non mi mangi chi stia.
A Palermo.
Palermo non mi era niente, con noi te basta. No, io ho detto una parlata. Usa una assata, visto, cabana, cabana manora.
Se non ha un tutti sa fare questo.
Piccioncini.
Friends for a lifetime. Oh yeah.
Photo shoot.
Io non faccio parte di
No, zitto. Zitto.
Zitto con le...
So while I was filming Massimo painting the gate and doing the base coat, a little old man stopped and asked if he could pick some olive branches so he could use them to do some grafting.
Fino con la punta proprio più fino possibile, a lasciare lei a punta. Poi ancora lei lo fa piano e di qua quando c'è là dentro.
E intorno a questo è il tronco, cosa abbiamo detto?
Sì, intorno di questo, prima un pezzo di lazzo, così.
Ah, ok, sì.
Va bene? Oh. E dopo ci mette la plastica per non prendere questa aria. Qua piano piano poi lei la infima, si viene a scadere quando fa verde, no?
Sì.
Quando poco. Che io ora si attacca subito, va bene?
Va bene.
Lo cala là dentro piano piano.
Grazie.
E questo è tutto il lavoro che deve fare lei.
Grazie mille.
First coat of this lovely color. Actually, I wasn't sure about it. I wanted black, but then my son was like, no, go for this color. What's it called, Massi?
Grey.
Yeah, very nice. So this, as I said, is the first coat. I think, how many coats do you reckon we'll need?
Probably a couple of coats.
Couple of coats, yeah?
Yeah.
Better than it was.
Making spaghetti alla Siracusana.
So basically spaghetti that are made in Siracusa.
It's a traditional spaghetti made like, you get carbonara in Rome, you get Siracusana in Siracusa. It's made up with anchovies which is in olive oil in a little jar, you normally buy. Wild fennel, this is wild fennel leaves. What I'm actually doing now is chopping them up. While I'm chopping them up, I am toasting off some breadcrumbs.
Okay.
So I've got some breadcrumbs on the fire, toasting off over there. Have a look at that.
Dry toasting, obviously.
Dry toasting.
Yeah.
Any oil in there, nothing. You're just toasting them in a pan.
I'm going to be really careful, yeah.
Try not to burn them. So as soon as they're covered, you need to take them out the hot pan because they'll just keep cooking otherwise.
These are your anchovies, fresh anchovies.
Anchovies, I will chop them up.
We like this pasta. It's Italian wheat. And we love it. It keeps the al dente of it. The fresh wild fennel I picked yesterday while we were in Portopalo.
I'm just going to chop it up real finely.
And because there's so much, I'm going to boil the remaining in some salty water and make an oil, like a paste, so I can do some other type of pasta another time.
A few chili flakes. Oh, yummy. Some lovely garlic. We add anchovies. They fry off the same.
I promise you, once they're cooked, you can't really taste them, so don't be scared.
They do disappear.
Yeah, but they give it such a nice salty taste that it's well worth it.
Add your cherry tomatoes. A little bit of salt because anchovies are salty. We don't put too much. Nice dry white cooking wine. Put a lid on that. And let that just cook away.
The rest of the fennel, is that right?
That's right. should be done. So I'm going to turn the heat off now.
The best part. Ooh.
People like Parmesan cheese. I don't. Maria likes it, so I'm putting her Parmesan.
You don't like it on fish?
No, on my fish dishes. I never have Parmesan.
Italians don't use Parmigiano on their fish dishes, but this is like very little fish, so I'm gonna have it.
And for prettiness, to make it look a bit pretty.
Oh, very
There
cute.
you go.
Thanks, Mas.
You're welcome.
Buon appetito.
Bon appetito.
Thank you so much for subscribing and watching our videos. We will see you next week with a brand new one. Have a lovely week. Bye bye.